This country, under this APC regime, came to become the poverty capital of the world. It became the place where the minimum wage became the miserable wage for workers.
But if you think about Nigeria itself, it's an open prison.
Wrong, but many people got away with it just by a stroke of luck. So most times there is always that issue of misinformation. That's why we're also big on creating awareness about health issues and how they should respond to it. One other thing is delayed presentation. So you come to the hospital after you have tried. I saw a mother one day in clinic, and she just brought out all the antibiotics that she had been using.
Wow.
And I counted them, they were almost 10. She had used this, she had used this.
Without coming to the hospital?
Yes, then when things were now worse, there's nothing else then. And in many cases, these things are related to also poverty. So the fact that people don't have the finances to be able to cater to their health needs, they have to self-medicate and then
so that's very true.
So
that's very okay. So you said the Nigerian Child Initiative and No Child Care. Tell us about that.
Okay, so the Nigerian Child Initiative is a non-profit that essentially improves access to health care and mentorship for children, especially in underserved communities. We started out that back in care is now it's an offshoot of what we've been doing as a non-profit. So we want to do. We started off New Child Care January this year with the aim to become a more sustainable organization. So New Child Care is leveraging on what we do for free as a non-profit, and looking at the market potential in it for us to generate profit and also make impact at the same time. So what we're doing with New Child Care essentially is connecting children in underserved communities in schools and their caregivers with healthcare professionals.
Interesting.
So we operate a mobile sick bay service for schools that don't have a sick bay.
That's impressive. That's very impressive.
Yeah.
So how many schools or how many
have we reached?
Yes.
So we've done about 11 schools
in Lagos.
Yes, in Lagos we've done about 11 schools with about 300 children. And that's not counting all the time we've been piloting as a non-profit, because we've been reaching out to schools and communities as well. As new TNCI, we reached out to over 3,000 children at that time.
But is it Lagos based, or do you have a goal to reach the entire Nigeria?
Yes, well, like we always say,
Nigeria they use computer. The leaders of Nigeria they use radio where they turn the knob.